Evening hike. Evening hike to Lake of the Woods Park to watch the beautiful world's sunset. I'm excited. We're gonna make it on time. It's like 5:15, 20 after 5. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Got my Go Rack bag on. Go Ruck bag. 30-pound plate, sketchbook, color pencils, books, journal, headlamp. Let's see what we can come up with out here. This is my territory. Love for the outdoors. Passion for Mother Nature. Oneness with Mother Nature. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Look at the sky, man. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Look at it pop out right there. That's the type of light that shines in us. All of us. That bright light. That's the kind of light that shines within all of us. Magnificent, beautiful, strong.